Mortgage Group, and today's WTH. So today we're going to talk about 2-1 buy downs, what they are and how they can apply to you. So basically, when you're purchasing a home, you have the ability to negotiate with the sellers. If you can get the seller to give you a credit of a certain dollar amount, then you can use that money and apply it towards a buy down. The trick is you can't buy it down, the realtor can't buy it down for you, not in this program at least. The seller has to pay for that. So it's definitely something that you have to negotiate up front, and you need a certain dollar amount for the program. So you would want your realtor and your lender to get connected so that way they're asking for the right amounts when they are negotiating that for you. But basically, for the first year, your interest rate is 2% less. So say your rate is 7%, right? For the first year, it's only 5%. And for the second year, it's 6%. And then on years 3 through 30, it is the 7%. So this is a fixed rate. It's not adjustable or anything like that. It's just buttoned down up front. And it's a really great way for you to ease into those payments, or hopefully, perfect world, the rates will go back down and you can refinance before you have to pay that higher rate. So give me a call if you're interested. Talk to you later. Bye.